G'day, mate.
Hey, mate, how are you?
How are you, Guy?
Welcome aboard, nice to meet you.
Thank you very much. Let's get out there. Yeah, sweet.
Let's go find it. One of the highest densities of freshwater crocodiles anywhere in Australia, what we're sitting on, averaging one crocodile roughly every 10 metres across a 55k length.
So let's just make sure we're, I don't know, closer than 10 metres from the from the rock.
Everybody's looking forward to what comes up next. I'm here to change the game with style and finesse. Something fresh for the World Wide Web, and I just want to make a mark so you never forget. I'm King Kong, see me pounding on my chest.
Hello, mate. They're so prehistoric.
You sort of expect them to be this hard, grainy,
yeah, absolutely.
tough sort of animal, but they're so soft.
Yeah.
So they use all the different ridges and bumps and spikes as all for camouflage as well, but also for increasing surface area.
Yep.
So they can increase or heat up and cool down as quick as they possibly can.
Awesome. Shall we let him go, you reckon?
Yeah.
You don't want to stress him out too much.
So I'm in an area called Jump Rock here. So that's the main jump rock up there. You can see the little ledge off to the left is what we call Chicken Rock. And then when you're really game, this is the main cliff you jump off here. So you can progressively work your way up to a real man's jump.
Looks like I'll be on Chicken Rock then. Start with that one, and then we'll see if we progress to that one.